Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to change the settings from single lane to a dual lane on a PAR drive-through intercom base station. Alright, so let's get started. First you have to make sure that the unit that you have is a dual lane unit, because if it's a single lane unit you cannot change it to a dual lane. This is a dual lane unit, so you can choose between single lane and dual lane. In order to do that, what you have to do is you have to go to mode and you have to enter the login password 12345. Then enter mode twice, go to system menu, hit enter. Now instead of going down arrow, go up arrow instead. Go up arrow and go to installer setup, which is number 14, and hit enter. When you are in installer setup, leave these alone and scroll down. And scroll down, and as you scroll down, you go to number of lane at this site. So as you scroll down, you stop on this one, number of lane on this site. Then you hit enter, and then you go to the right. Now it's dual lane, and you hit enter, and you click on mode to exit, and now we have lane 1 split, and then you can go to dual lane or whatever you want to do. Additional settings are also available, which I'm going to show you. So what I was going to explain is the difference between split and cross. Right now it's split, but see, I can make it, hold on a second. Right now it's split, I can make it cross, split, cross. So I'm going to explain the difference between cross and split in a dual lane situation. When it is split, there are two separate order takers and two independent people taking orders and taking payments. But if you choose cross, it's the same person, single headset, that will be speaking to both lanes. It is not two separate order takers. So if you have it split, it's independent. Each headset is independent of each other, as if they're two separate lanes, two separate restaurants. But cross is the same person speaking to both lanes. And that's it. So we leave that on split, and then you exit, and that's it. That's how you basically change the settings from a single lane to dual lane. Now how you go back to single lane, you do exactly what I did. This is how we go back to single lane. Alright, so let's repeat the settings again. You go to mode 1 2 3 4 5, enter system menu, go arrow up to number 14, installer setup, arrow down, and number of lanes in this site, hit enter, right arrow, single lane, and exit. One second, I didn't save it, one second. Installer setup, down, and then you go single lane, enter, and that's it. We are in single lane, and now we exit, and we have single lane back enabled. That's how you change from dual lane to single lane, or vice versa. Alright, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.